I'm here to talk about some product at Northeast Factory Direct. They have a tremendous display of items, and wanted to focus on a couple things so we can show you the type of quality you can get at amazing prices here. Right now we're looking at a dining room collection which features that really trendy look right now, talking about reclaimed wood and wire brushed finishes and a lighter tone. And this has all the appeal of the most popular sets nowadays that are available. But this also has some really great construction stories with it. As you can see, this table is able to be operated with one hand to move the entire table back and forth. So if you're getting ready for an event at the house, you don't have to invite neighbors over to help open the table up. This can be opened because of the unique cable drive steel ball bearing mechanism that allows the table to move back and forth with great ease. And as you can see, the beautiful wood species that the table is constructed of. Once the table is completely open, if you've got a lot of guests coming, you're definitely going to need this unique self-storing butterfly hinged leaf that unfolds very easily. As you can see, one person can easily do it. And what we like to use, which is different than the competition, are these metal tabs that insert into each end of the table. They make for a much more efficient connection and years of really good, reliable service down the road. And this easily folds up, self-stores. You don't need to put it in your closet or under the bed. You can save those areas for all the family photos, and closes up real nice. It does lock underneath as well. This collection features a really beefy ladder back style chair. As you can see, the way it's built, the mortise and tenon joints are exposed on the outside of the chair, and you've got a really beautiful linen fabric on the seat, which is actually really very durable. And then of course, we go down to this solid wood trestle table base. There's a lot of detail going on here. You know, from a style and construction standpoint, this product is one of the best values out there. And Northeast Factory Direct can give you an incredible price. They can deliver it to you fast. And there's all kinds of hidden gems throughout their display here of products that have this high quality at such an amazing price. So if you're in the market for a dining room set, definitely get to Northeast Factory Direct.